A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Y, and Z, Y, and Z. Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, how are you? I'm your course teacher, Muhammad Mancha, and I'll teach you English alphabet. Now our next letter is X. X is 24th letter of English alphabet. It gives sometimes X sound and sometimes Z. Z and X. For example, box, box, X-ray, X-ray, xylophone, xylophone. Good. Now you can trace the letter X with the help of your index finger 10 times. After that, you can use your pencil to write the letter X 10 times by joining dotted lines. Good. Now move on to the next block on page number 42 of your book. This block is having different letters. You can read these letters and match the same letters with the help of your pencil. Good. Match the same letters from this block. After doing it, you can write the letter X with the help of dotted lines and dotted sheets. Good. Thank you.